So, Brian, do you know why you're here today?
Yeah, I got a letter saying I had an appointment, but I don't know what it's for.
Yes, it's your routine flu vaccination.
Vaccination.
Yes, you get them every year, Brian.
I don't like needles.
Now, come on, Brian. You get them every year. They help you to stay well.
I don't like needles. No, I don't like needles. I don't like needles.
Brian, I've got a whole queue of people waiting to get the needles. Come on. Oh. I don't believe this. Another one. Patient refused treatment. No follow-up needed.
Hello?
Hello, it's Christine from the Swinburne Street Surgery. I must speak to Brian King.
Yes, I'm Brian King.
Hello, Brian. This is a reminder about your flu vaccination appointment.
Flu vaccination.
Did you get the easy read letter about it?
Yes.
Right, it said 12 o'clock this Wednesday.
This Wednesday. I'm a bit nervous. I don't like needles.
Do you understand why you have to have the injection, Brian?
No, not really.
People with flu diseases more higher risk getting poorly if they catch flu. The flu injection, it helps you to protect you and keeps you well. So, Brian, are you still coming to the appointment?
Yes, I will. But I'll be nervous.
This is why I'm ringing, Brian. Is there anything we can do at the surgery to help you with the appointment?
I don't know.
As a reasonable adjustment, you can bring somebody with you whilst you get your flu vaccination. Oh, we've got care bags with stress balls in, and we've also got some special cream to numb your arm so you don't feel it. So, what do you think you need?
Yes, I have the cream.
Yes, no problem.
And stress ball.
I'll make a note of these things, and I'll add them to your reasonable adjustments records.
Thank you.
So, it's at 12 o'clock on Wednesday, okay?
12 o'clock Wednesday.